Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. In this video I will be showing you how to do niqab using a mask, exactly the way I've done it here. It's actually a very simple niqab tutorial and I have already done it on my Instagram, but I wanted to do it here for my YouTube audience as well. So yeah, here it goes. In order to do this niqab tutorial, you need a good length hijab, a mask, a few hijab pins. Make sure that you're getting hijab pins that are of the same color as your hijab, just so they blend in nicely and well. And you need one safety pin. Start off by folding 1/3 of your hijab. Before putting the hijab on your head, wear a mask. Once the mask is on, take the hijab and put it on your head. Keep one side of the hijab smaller and one side longer. Tie the hijab under your chin and tuck in both sides of the mask inside your hijab to get a neat look. Now take the longer side and wrap it around your head. Make sure all the lines are smooth and neat. Bring the longer side all the way to the front. Take a straight hijab pin and tie the hijab with it on the right side of your chin. Take the smaller side and take it behind to cover your back as well. Now take the longer side and place it like this to cover the front. Either you can end the styling over here, or you can take the longer side and wrap it all around you like this and tie it up with a hijab pin underneath your niqab to give extra covering. To secure the hijab even further, you can place one hijab pin on the left side of your head. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to see more niqab tutorials, you can check out my channel. I have filmed a few and I will be filming more as well for you guys. And yeah, please do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye.